is up? Thank you so much for subscribing to the Elite Retrofitting Network YouTube channel. We've given away some prizes and done some product reviews this past month of February. For March, we have a few more products that we're going to be reviewing and giving away. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. That way you enter your chance to get a product from us for free. And right now what we have focused on for this month will be Diode Dynamics SS3 LED pod fog lights, Xenon Depot XTR VF LED switchback LED bulbs, and XTR LP license plate reverse bulb, or plate I guess you could say. So stay tuned for more updates, and again, may the odds be in your favor if you subscribe to us. So good luck, peace out, and see you later.